अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं सनम सईद और आप मुझे आही पे देख रहे हैं। इस बार हम मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग अवेयरनेस एंड मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टार्टिंग विद योर ओन मेंटल हेल्थ। आप अंदर से खुद खुश रहेंगे, सुकून में रहेंगे, तो आप बाकी लोगों को खुश और सुकून में रख सकते हैं, whether it's your family or people at work or people around you. But I hope कि ये जो गुफ्तगू हमने की है, मैंने और आमना ने, वो आपके साथ कनेक्ट कर पाएँ और आप इससे कुछ सीखें और इंशाल्लाह इस तरह की अच्छी-अच्छी बातें होती रहेंगी।
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, this is Amna. Aap dekh rahe hain Ahi. This is a really special episode. We're going to talk about a really serious subject that affects every 1 in 4 women, and that is mental health. We don't talk about it enough. It's still taboo. A lot of people still think it's a hypothetical problem. दिमाग में है तो असल नहीं है. असल है. Over 50 million people in Pakistan are affected by mental health problems. The spectrum is huge. लेकिन काम इस पे हो रहा है. And my guest today is Sanam Said. She's brand ambassador for the British Asian Trust that has been working on mental health in Pakistan for the past many years. And they're doing some very valuable work with children. So, Sanam, thank you so much for agreeing to talk about it. It's a really serious subject. And the more we talk about it, I think the more awareness we can create.
बिल्कुल, एनी टैबू टॉपिक आप उस पे जितनी बात करोगे, जितना उस पे लाइट शाइन करोगे,
बिल्कुल.
उतना ही लोगों को एहसास होगा इसके बारे में। इनफैक्ट एक रिमाइंडर की तरह है कि हाँ यार, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दिस
बिल्कुल.
और फलां ड्रामा ने या फलां खातून ने या डॉक्टर साहब ने या जो भी ऑन टीवी इफ दे आर वाचिंग ने इस टॉपिक पे बात की, तो आई शुड feel that I'm not the only one, and B,
बिल्कुल.
feel like, okay, where do I get help from?
बिल्कुल.
I think that's the purpose
That's
of
the
these kind
purpose.
of discussions.
हाँ. So Sanam, शुरू में just tell us a little bit about how you got involved with the British Asian Trust और क्या काम हो रहा है वहाँ पे?
ब्रिटिश एशियन ट्रस्ट प्रिंस चार्ल्स का एक इदारा है और वो साउथ एशिया में ज़्यादातर काम करते हैं, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान। बांग्लादेश में वो फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स के साथ काम करते हैं रिहेबिलिटेशन के तौर पे। पाकिस्तान में ज़्यादातर स्ट्रीट चिल्ड्रन एंड अवेयरनेस को स्प्रेड करना, आगाही अराउंड मेंटल हेल्थ इन द बेसिकली ऑल्सो दे ट्राइंग टू ट्रेन स्पेशलिस्ट। हर जगह आपको हर तरीके के डॉक्टर्स मिलेंगे, उनके
बिल्कुल.
फर्क क्वालिफिकेशंस होती हैं, नहीं होती, हमें नहीं पता, बट द पॉइंट इज कि इनको एजुकेट करें। जहाँ पे एक एरिया में अगर एक है साइकियाट्रिक वार्ड और साइकोलॉजिस्ट और एनीवन, देन दे गो एंड चेक कि आपको आपकी ट्रेनिंग क्या है, आपको कितने हद तक क्या पता है, अगर इस टाइप की सिचुएशन है तो हाउ वुड यू हैंडल इट, बिकॉज जस्ट लाइक विद एनीथिंग especially medicine and education, you have to keep up to date. So how up to date are they?
Right.
The field workers of the British Asian Trust यहाँ पे जो हैं are trying to keep the therapists up to date with issues, because जैसे जैसे times are changing, financial and domestic issues are not the only reason for mental health issues.
Right.
अब
Although
तो
ये बहुत बड़े दो issues हैं.
बहुत बड़े दो issues
बिल्कुल.
हैं, लेकिन आप पहले तो यही था ना कि financially मसले चल रहे हैं and unstable family life.
Absolutely.
Or then if you have a chemical imbalance and you need medication for that.
बिल्कुल.
But up to we all suffer from some kind of mental
I
health
believe
issue.
so. I believe so. I think कि कोई बंदा ऐसा नहीं है.
और ये TikTok और social media ने दिमाग खराब किया हुआ हम
कर
सबका.
दिया ना. Yeah.
हाँ. So that's especially because they work with street children.
Yeah.
Everyone has access to a phone. हर कोई, मतलब आप जहाँ देखो सबका सर नीचे. मैं कहती हूँ गार्ड्स कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करें घरों को और माएँ कैसे बच्चों का ख्याल रखें, वो सब हम किस तरह किताब ही नहीं उठाते हम लोग अब, हम किसी से बात भी नहीं करते अब, हम तो ये हाँ जी जी जी, you know, so it's a बीमारी. So the therapists need to be trained in how to deal with these kind of social media बीमारीज that are now developing in people. Body dysmorphia and all is not just for the rich kids or like Hollywood. It's हर जगह, because social media has opened the world up to people. So that's what the field workers of the British Asian Trust do, deal with the street children.
Right.
उनका क्योंकि अलग है, बहुत kidnappings होती हैं, बहुत street crime, abuse to children. So mainly they are the focus for the British Asian Trust, and then helping the therapists be up to date.
Be up to date. So you've done a lot of groundwork?
I have
met the children?
I've met the children. I met the women that they were training.
Right.
And the first year that I was a part of the British Asian Trust, हम लोग गए थे ख़वातीन को ट्रेन करने. मैं खैर ट्रेन नहीं करी थी, बट मैं गई थी देखने कि किस तरह हो रहा है. तो एक खातून है who's appointed to a certain community और वो जाके फिर उस community की जो women हैं who are in charge of taking care of the other women, like one leader woman
right
is then taken to be trained,
right
and उस training में basic awareness थी कि अगर कोई खातून कह रही है कि मेरे ये मसले हैं या अगर कोई बच्चा ये साइंस दिखा रहा है तो आप उनको किसी पीर के पास ना लेके जाएं कि ये कोई इस तरह की बीमारी, आप सिर्फ नमाज से उनको मतलब ये ना कहें कि आप नमाज पढ़ लो बेटा, ये दुआ पढ़ लो ठीक हो जाएगा। आप ये लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैं ये पूछें, उनके घर जाएं, सी द हाउस होल्ड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज हैं, ड्रग एडिक्ट है कोई, so how do you rehabilitate that person who's suffering,
right
and especially when a young person is unattended, so that destroys them for the rest of their life, they're destroyed. So if you can nip it in the bud और बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम को शुरू से आप उसको पकड़ लें तो होपफुली
बहुत मुश्किल काम है,
बहुत मुश्किल
क्योंकि जो चीज नजर नहीं आ रही, जख्म तो नजर आ जाता है,
बिल्कुल
उसका इलाज हो जाता है, लेकिन जो चीज नजर नहीं आ रही, पेशेंस एजुकेशन अवेयरनेस, वही बात है, द मोर यू टॉक अबाउट इट, मेरा तो दिमाग ही नहीं जाता कि इसलिए कि हर बंदा ज़हनी मरीज है, हर बंदा को किसी ना किसी प्रॉब्लम का सामना एट सम टाइम इन लाइफ करना पड़ता है, एट सम पॉइंट इन लाइफ यू डू सफर। डू यू थिंक प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ रहे हैं या are we not as well equipped to deal with them as maybe our forefathers were?
Our forefathers were definitely not equipped.
They were not, na?
नहीं। अब हम मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। अब हमारे रिश्तेदार या हम खुद जा रहे हैं, हमारे दोस्त जानने वाले अब जा रहे हैं थेरेपी के पास, थेरेपिस्ट के पास फॉर थेरेपी। बीच में एक फैड भी बन गया था, my therapist, I'm going to therapy,
rich man's problem.
Rich man problems. उस पे वो फिर एक लेबल था कि ओहो you don't know what real problems are, हैं ये लोग जा रहे हैं सेल्फ इंडल्जेंस के लिए कि बस किसी को अपने आप के बारे में बात करना,
attention seeking behavior.
They understood कि that's also if that is the case तो आप focus on yourself, right? Mental health awareness and taking care of your mental health is a very personal journey because it is who you are. It's not a sign of weakness, ना ही एक बीमारी है, ये आप कि एक खसलत है, आपका एक हिस्सा है। आप जिस तरह सोचते हैं और जिस तरह रियल वर्ल्ड में अपने आप को पेश करते हैं, सोशली आप किस तरह पेश करते हैं अपने आप को, अकेले में आप अपने आप से किस तरह बात करते हो, काम पे आपका रवैया क्या है, दूसरों के साथ, बच्चों के साथ आपका रवैया क्या, आपके पार्टनर के साथ। आई मीन मेंटल हेल्थ trickles into every facet of life. But you have to love yourself before you can love anyone else. You have to be comfortable with who you are before you can trust someone else. You have to build that trust from within before you can let anyone else in. So mental health is very vast, yes, लेकिन self indulgent भी नहीं है। बहुत हमारे लिए जिस तरह खाना पीना पानी is essential. So क्या कहेंगे, food for the soul, वो cliches में गिर जाता है ना।
हाँ, absolutely. When I see women around us and from all walks of life, all stratas, financial problems are like big. I think एक बहुत बड़ी cause है. Second, I think the treatment, misogyny overall in relationships, वो बहुत बुरी तरह affect करती हैं, especially married women. पाकिस्तान में खास तौर पे, in South Asia, I think, but maybe not all over the world.
चले आप social issues को भी, अभी physical elements को हटा दें एक खातून की जिंदगी से, just look at the biological changes she goes through. I mean,
absolutely. Take away all the external problems. Take away all the external.
Being a woman, it is so mentally and physically draining and taxing, and it's not our fault. Our hormones play havoc on us.
Man, tell me about it. I mean, I've hit 50, and every 10 minutes, my body goes through different temperatures. I mean, really.
So it's going to make you feel not yourself,
not in control.
You're going to have mood swings. You're going to be irritable. You're going to be cranky. You're going to be, but you have to keep it together because otherwise you'll be crazy. Otherwise you'll be hyper.
Doctors have now said that every pregnancy takes away like 4 to 6 ages you. So and you're expected to be okay with it.
Whether you're becoming a woman, whether you're pregnant, whether you've given birth, whether you're hitting your 50s and you're going through menopause.
Whether you're not pregnant.
Yeah, I'm just saying that hormones play havoc on PCOS bhi
in different ways, exactly.
Your diet has a lot to do with your hormonal highs and lows. Your natural biology has so much to do with it. So there's so many facets. अगर आप हटा भी दे financial
सब external हटा दे, हाँ, true.
मतलब आप कि अपनी body आपका साथ नहीं देती।
You're born at a disadvantage.
So it is important to understand.
Yes.
Many people who hit 50, खास तौर पे यहाँ की खवातीन, क्योंकि awareness नहीं है, मतलब just talking about your period was such a taboo. ठीक है.
Absolutely.
Now we can slowly talk it, and we're only talking about it to empower women, not to suddenly to empower women, to make them feel like it's okay, it happens to everyone.
Yeah.
And this is the hygiene you need to focus on.
Yeah.
क्योंकि hygiene का कोई वो नहीं था.
नहीं.
मतलब बहुत सारी खवातीन थी जो, I mean, there's so many shows made on it, and आप बात करते हो, खुल के बात करो, the kind of things that you're supposed to use
Yeah.
for your hygiene. So menstrual hygiene was something that needs to be highlighted. और बात होती है उस पे, campaigns होती हैं स्कूलों में, लड़कियों के साथ बात होती है. It's very important to keep talking about it.
Yeah, but I wonder वो infiltrate कितने घरों में हुई है?
कितनी होती है? And then menopause, like why is mother going crazy? कभी रोती हैं, कभी हंसती हैं, कभी डांटती हैं, कभी मियाँ कहता है कि बीवी पागल होगी, बच्चे कहते हैं माँ पागल होगी है, कॉलीग्स कहते हैं यार इसको काम पे नहीं आने दो. And when women do it to each other, that's mean. Like at least एक sisterhood तो हो.
क्लीशे भी बन गया ना कि ओ PMS तो नहीं है, अच्छा are you like
Are you on your period?
Are you on your period? That's why you're like
बहुत गलत
cranky सी हो गई हो.
बहुत गलत बात है.
Mood swings हो रहे हैं.
बहुत. So this is just one small aspect of your mental health.
Yeah.
Because hormones play a huge part on your mental health.
Yeah.
फिर आप बाकी factors add कर दें. Socially,
बिल्कुल.
Financially, domestically,
बिल्कुल.
social media, your
is not helping.
Social media.
Social media is not helping at all.
I mean, there are two sides to everything. Social media has helped create a lot of awareness.
I think financial stability is given to a lot of people.
100%. Financial stability,
absolutely.
yes. But also talking about creating awareness regarding these topics. क्योंकि पहले हमारे ख़वातीन के पास सिर्फ टेलीविजन के ज़रिए से का ज़रिया था, right? जिससे वो उडारी जैसा अच्छा ड्रामा देख लें, या एक था जिसमें सोनिया हुसैन थी, she played a mental health.
सराब.
क्या नाम था? सराब. एक आखिरी स्टेशन था. So through TV हम ये पैगाम आगे करते हैं, लेकिन वो एक ड्रामे के हद तक है. लेकिन सोशल मीडिया आप दिन में 1000 दफा देखते हो और आपकी फीड पे आती रहती हैं चीजें डिपेंडिंग. तो अगर उसमें एक वीडियो भी आ गई, ये क्लिप, आजकल I think all of us almost have the same feed. Time Investors is this one app, or like Glucose Goddess, or there are 3-4 people that a lot of us follow, but they give us great insight on neuroscience,
right,
and our genetics and our diet. So social media has plus points, 100%.
Right.
But it's how you use it. It's just like how you use anything. How you use the money you make, how you use the freedom you have, how you use the privilege you have, how you use social media. That has the world open up to you. लेकिन बीमारी तो बन गई है वो.
बीमारी बन गई.
I'm waiting for a drama जिसमें social media, I'm sure आएगा एक, I hope कोई बनाए. Social media के जो effects हैं. We have made some dramas in which the girls are like influencers and we see those characters.
Yeah.
But I think the whole drama needs to be based on how it affects the girl,
right,
the boy, the family,
right,
the society, the community,
right,
because it is really beneficial जब हम इस तरह के ड्रामे बनाते हैं जिसमें एक बहुत strong message है और साफ नजर आता है कि अच्छा ये ड्रामा इसके बारे में है, तो वो 100% रेजोनेट करता है.
वो होता नहीं है लेकिन उसके बारे में. In my experience, a lot of dramas that have been made around the mental health issues end up not being about mental health issues, except for Sarab and the 2 or 3 that you've mentioned.
तो वही ना, तो एक दो, अगर 100 में से एक ड्रामा बन जाए तो ठीक है. अगर एक ड्रामे से एक बंदे की भी जिंदगी बेहतरी की तरफ जा रही है तो job is done.
Sure.
You know, if one parent was like after Udari के ये होता है,
absolutely,
तो फिर job done.
Absolutely.
So I hope that we do focus more on and do make more dramas on mental health, only to help create awareness.
Yeah.
Like we have the power to influence people.
Yeah.
We have the power to change their mindsets, to educate them.
Yeah.
So I hope ke and like these, like talks like this, जब आप किसी को बुलाएं, या आप maybe you can come with the British Asian Trust field workers or UNHCR or any. There's so many idaras that work with even the old home जहाँ पे बिल्कुल ही बुजुर्ग लोगों को छोड़ा जाता है. There's so much mental health issues that were never addressed.
Yeah.
और अब वो अकेले बुजुर्ग लोग अपने mental health issues को लेके that have really escalated.
I think there is a lot of intergenerational trauma as well.
Absolutely.
Like the generation before us,
Bilkul.
I think went through the trauma of the whole entire partition.
Yes.
They've carried it with them for 70 years. And now as they're aging, I see my parents in their 80s, they're still holding on to that trauma. And
because they never talked about it.
They never spoke about
How
it.
How traumatic must it have been?
Yeah.
और किसी स्पेशलिस्ट के पास वो गए नहीं, because it's a sign of weakness. कि
Yeah.
हम क्यों उसके बारे में बात करें, हम बीमार थोड़ी हैं,
हमें
कोई
बात
उस तरह,
थोड़ी है.
but it's not a sign of weakness.
No.
It's a part of your identity. I keep saying it's
Yeah.
who you are, and it's something that you have experienced. It's a trauma.
Yeah.
तो partition बिल्कुल हमारी दादियों के या हमारे parents who are from that
बिल्कुल.
generation needed to talk about it.
बिल्कुल.
When people go through a really rough divorce, rough or not, they should go for counseling.
When you lose a partner,
When you lose
grief
a partner,
therapy.
when you lose, yeah, grief therapy.
Grief
When you lose a
therapy.
parent, that's the first time I went for therapy.
बिल्कुल.
The first time I went for therapy, मेरी अम्मी को maybe 1 महीना हो गया था, and मैंने कहा लेकिन मैं ठीक हूँ, लेकिन शायद मुझे किसी के पास जाना चाहिए, कुछ तो feel करना चाहिए मुझे.
Yeah.
But that's because of my awareness also, that
Yeah.
I was like, maybe I should just speak to someone. Maybe there's something that hasn't been opened up yet.
Yeah.
और वो बाद में ना मुझे तकलीफ दे, तो मैं अभी जाके बात कर लेती हूँ किसी से के. But I went for 2-3 sessions and I didn't need it, but I felt like, and I joined exercise class. I was like,
Right.
okay, maybe I need to release something.
Right.
After that, I mean, it's been 6 years. Like I now really enjoy exercising, but like my other siblings who didn't go for therapy, I feel like maybe they should have gone, because everyone deals with grief differently.
Bottled it up.
I just done cake also,
Yeah.
ना, तो मेरा तो catharsis Zara के through हो गया था.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
Literally, हम बेओ आंटी के डेथ बेड पे बैठे रहे, उनसे आई लव यूज गाना गाया, सब किया, वो पूरा इमोशन उस ड्रामे में आ गया, उस फिल्म में.
Yeah.
तो 2 days later when I was facing the real situation, I was like, वो हो गई feeling. लेकिन मेरे भाई बहन को वो feeling नहीं मिली थी ना.
But that must have been so painful.
It was
bizarre.
beautiful.
Really?
मैं बहुत इस बात की शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि ये मेरे साथ हुआ क्या, कैसे हुआ, and I can just, अल्लाह का शुक्र है कि काम के through एक मुझे opportunity मिली to deal with grief.
Right.
And I remember Mahira had called me on her show to talk about grief. And I really think it's because of that experience that I was able to have such a calm, a realistic, and what's the word? एक sense of ठहराव, एक sense of peace, एक sense of gratitude. I think death is beautiful. We miss the person gone.
Right, right.
लेकिन जो बंदा transition कर चुका है,
Yeah.
मतलब ये कोई दुनिया है जिसमें हम रह रहे हैं, ओफ, वो तो आजाद हो गए.
That's true.
तो हम
Or so we
selfish
think.
होके उनको
Or
पकड़ते
so
हैं
we
कि
think.
oh no, 100%.
100%
अगर हमें
we think
लगता
so.
है कि जिंदगी सिर्फ ये बॉडी है
वो तो नहीं
और
है.
ये बातें हैं
वो तो
और
नहीं
ये 9 to 5 जॉब है और रूटीन है, तो नो वे, आगे जहां और भी हैं.
नहीं मैं कह
बहुत
रही हूँ
सारे.
आगे की जहाँ भी 2 किस्म के हैं ना, आगे के जहाँ भी हर एक के लिए तो एक जैसा नहीं होगा.
लेकिन हम mostly people अच्छे हैं, I believe. उनकी circumstances या मजबूरियां उनको थोड़ा वो कर देते हैं. लेकिन genuinely इंसान अच्छा होता है, नाइव होता है बहुत, और ठीक है, मतलब मैसेंजर जैसे काम नहीं कर रहे.
Yeah.
लेकिन जो आप यहाँ करोगे उसी का अमल आप you
Of
reap the
course,
benefits
of course,
of that, right?
of
Now
course.
if you're crooks and criminals who have really borrowed
Then you're going to
orphans का
jail
हक
for
and
life.
you're going to jail for life. जो
Yeah.
आप यहाँ करोगे उसको आपको वही मिलेगा
Absolutely.
वहाँ. So yes, so these things I feel have helped me keep my mental health in check, because I just try to keep myself aware about it. फिर लोग कहते हैं कि they throw themselves into work and then they ignore it.
Yeah.
उससे भी वो आगे, मतलब especially mothers with their children, वो अपने आप को बिल्कुल ही पीछे कर देती हैं और वो बिल्कुल ही अपने मियाँ और बच्चे और ससुराल की फैमिली में they totally throw themselves in there.
Yeah.
और वो अपने आप को बहुत इग्नोर करती हैं. फिर जाके if they hit menopause or anything that triggers them, they break
Absolutely.
down because उनका कोई हाथ नहीं पकड़ रहा.
नहीं, और उनको सबसे पहले अपना हाथ खुद, मतलब like self love.
Self love.
So important.
But it's easy to say कि love yourself and you're like,
I think it's become easier, and the more we say it, the more women are believing it. I think that nobody said it because
no one said it. Yes.
no one said it. I mean, for life, I heard my mother say कि मेरी नानी खाना नहीं खाती थी जब तक नाना नहीं खा लेते थे, और वो खड़ी रहती थी उनके पास जब तक वो खाते थे, फिर वो बैठती थी. पूरा बचपन मैंने ये सुना. One day I questioned her. मैंने कहा, are you saying this with
लेकिन
pride?
वो खुश थी because a lot of these women were happy.
She died at 60. Her heart
Allah.
failed, and she was like, and I was sleeping next to her, and I actually heard her last breath, and I asked I asked my mother this, that, are you saying this with pride? Because I don't see this as anything to be proud of. If your father was happy with his wife standing by, it's not, it doesn't sound like a good
No.
relationship.
Yeah.
But वही बात है that self-love was equated to being narcissistic or being self-centered or selfish, and not supposed to be like that.
And the age old, मतलब आप इस बात पे जितना भी बात करें वो repetitive होता है कि पहले वो अपने बाप के घर से होती, अपने बाप के घर पे होती है,
जी
जो भाई और बाप कहेंगे वो होगा,
जी
और फिर वो अपने शौहर के घर जाती है,
जी
और जो शौहर और ससुराल कहेगा वो
फिर जब
करेगी,
बच्चे हो जाएंगे तो फिर
फिर बच्चे हो जाएंगे.
बेटे
So
हैं तो
where's
फिर
her voice?
where's
When
her
is she
voice?
able to?
Yeah.
And it's only those parents that give their daughters that freedom and
Absolutely.
who liberate
I
them.
think women in our part of the world especially have very complex relationships with their mothers as well, and that problem is never discussed. हम ये तो बात को करता ही नहीं है कि माँ के साथ कितनी एक complicated relationship है जो कि हम idealize भी करते हैं, but you're also getting a lot of baggage.
Yes.
A
Yes.
lot of baggage.
An unhappy wife or mother will be just unbearable to the children. Or even
Absolutely.
if she's trying her best,
Yeah.
children are not like blind to emotions and what's
no,
happening between
no.
their parents. So it's very important, and this is where the husband has a huge part to play,
And they usually don't.
and they usually don't.
At least that generation, they usually didn't. Their main purpose was to be the provider,
Yeah.
not be the companion. But yeah, absolutely.
It's
So
tough. It's so easy to say कि अगर ये होता तो ये होता तो ये, but the main purpose is to be kind,
Yeah.
to be compassionate.
Yeah.
एक दूसरे का एहसास हमेशा रहे, किसी को for granted ना लें, क्योंकि कहीं नहीं लिखा कि इसका काम ये है और इसका काम ये है. एक सिस्टम बन गया है, and system हमें चाहिए for order, लेकिन one should never forget what the other one is going through, what the other one has sacrificed, what the other one needs.
Absolutely.
At least, and it all stems from a man and a woman.
Yeah.
Right? Their union, their relationship, then their aulad, and that aulad then grows up to then find their partners. I mean, एक माँ ही एक अच्छे आदमी को बनाती है, एक औरत ही एक अच्छे आदमी को बनाती है.
You think so?
100%.
You don't think it's both of them, parents?
No. No. Not the core value of a good man. ठीक है, of course the father figure is important and he's there. I'm not saying, and in fact, the perfect combo is to have both parents. I mean, in any situation, आपके दोनों माँ बाप हयात हो, साथ हो, और आपकी परवरिश वो साथ करें. लेकिन माँ जिस तरह अपने बेटे के साथ पेश आती है, पहला प्यार ही माँ है.
Of course.
पहला, और जिस तरह माँ जिस तरह वो औरत अपने शौहर के साथ है, ये भी है ना, that suddenly the mother, when she has a son, बेटा ही सब कुछ बन जाता है, शौहर को भूल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है. If you want to save that piece of chicken for the son and not the daughter, no, it's for your husband.
Yeah.
He is the one. He is the provider. He is the one, the part of the equation where all of you will be happy. But to just obsess over a son, or to not give the son love, unrequited love also, जब एक माँ present नहीं है एक लड़के की जिंदगी में, जब एक माँ ने किसी situation में उस लड़के को, particularly लड़के को protect नहीं किया from a stepfather, from a stepfather's anger, or some kind of behavior where she chose the stepfather over the son, then there's so many different scenarios, good and bad.
Yeah.
And it shapes, I mean, the best examples of men that I've met, I met their mother and I was like, no wonder.
Yeah.
No wonder. They're confident. They're not obsessed with their sons. They treated their sons and daughters equally. They gave their sons space.
And values.
Yeah. वो तो, I mean, every parent tries, लेकिन they were there for this. I mean, just in my observation and in my opinion, what I've seen, the way, and I want to see this more in dramas.
Yeah.
Like not an obsessed mother with her son.
Yeah.
But like a mother that every bahu's dream is that mother, who doesn't, because she's just not obsessed कि मेरे बेटी की खुशी इस औरत के हाथों में है, तो वो फिर उस पे हावी हो जाती है ना.
बेटे का ख्याल रखो.
हाँ, बेटे का ख्याल नहीं, बेटा अपना ख्याल रखो. जिस तरह इस लड़के ने अपना ख्याल रखना, उसी ने तुम्हारा ख्याल रखना है, लेकिन तुमने भी इसका ख्याल रखना है. So I really believe that. And where did this come from? What are we talking about? Suddenly jump to
women self-love. And women
self-love.
is, yeah,
so
women self-love.
A satisfied woman at home, therefore then takes care of a son, and then that son, when he gets married or grows up or has children, he will know how to keep his family happy and balenced. But a man who was always spoiled by his mother will expect that from his wife.
Absolutely.
Times are changing. Those women now, we women now work, so we don't have to be like.
Yeah.
That's why, unfortunately, divorce rates are higher.
Yeah.
क्योंकि you don't have to stay out of मजबूरी.
बिल्कुल.
To work on a marriage is different, but you don't have to stay out of मजबूरी कि मेरा क्या होगा, मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी. I have to stay here, otherwise I'm बेघर.
बिल्कुल.
So that independence is something which is, I think that's the reason why divorces have become more common, because the woman can get up and leave and stand up on her own 2 feet.
I mean, old school will say कि औरतों में बर्दाश्त कम हो गई है, but the fact is that they're not taking the bullshit anymore.
I mean, each divorce happens for its own reasons, and that's whatever. But a woman should not have to stay. That's why पढ़ाई is so important. That's why माँ बाप को हमेशा बेटियों को पहले
Financial
पढ़ लिख के
independence is so
बड़ा
important.
करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
Not के 15 साल में आप अब शादी कर लो.
बिल्कुल.
आप शादी कर लो, then as long as the deal is कि वो अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म करें. Unfortunately, ठीक है, अगर बाद में काम नहीं होता तो ठीक है. It is hard to balance work home life.
Right, it is.
Let's be honest.
Sanam, it's hard being a woman today, right?
Yes.
काम भी करना है.
हाँ.
And I'm posing this question to you that you have to work, and you're married, and you also have a family life. माँ बाप भी हैं, husband भी है, काम भी है. All that balance. Then there's the social media demand for content, and fans bhi hain, and there's this image to keep up. A lot is compromised in that balance.
A lot.
So
yes.
how do you now, you seem so calm and so, collected and so like Zen. Is that
because I practice Zen?
That's what I was going to say.
Lifestyle.
What do you do to maintain that kind of calm in your life now? Because not everybody is getting it.
This is going to sound so cliche. Oh, but it's because I do pranayams and I breathe and I meditate. And that is the only thing that keeps you grounded, centered, and keeps my mental health in check.
So this is something that apne haath mein hai. This is what you can do.
What you can do.
Yeah.
नमाज पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन नमाज डर की वजह से भी पढ़ती हूँ ना.
हाँ.
कि नहीं पढ़ूंगी तो ये होगा, वो होगा. ठीक है. So there is an element of fear.
फर्ज भी है ना.
फर्ज भी. तो वो एक अलग है. ठीक है. लेकिन what do I have control of जो मुझे force नहीं किया गया, या मुझे जबरदस्ती force गलत हुआ, that I don't have to do. But I choose to do it because there are no consequences.
Yeah.
And that is meditation. And it really is the only thing that helps you connect with yourself.
No disturbance? What time, like how many minutes or hours a day?
That doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Till I am feeling that feeling of like enjoying that feeling of centeredness and calmness, मैं वहीं बैठी रहती हूँ. जिस तरह रमजान के आखिरी रोजे में 10 रोजों में जो दुआ का टाइम होता है, ठीक है, वैसे तो आप नमाज पढ़ते हो, दुआ करते हो, लेकिन you're not totally focused because आपने बस जल्दी से नमाज पढ़नी है, जल्दी से ये करना, वो करना, 1000 काम, बस ये फर्ज निभाना है. ठीक है. लेकिन आपके जो लास्ट नाइट्स ऑफ रमजान है, वो आप सेल्फिशली करते हो कि मेरी दुआ आज तो कबूल होगी, क्योंकि मैं
शायद यही कबूलियत का वक्त है.
लैलतुल कदर नाइट को मैं पकड़ूंगी. अब वो आपने एक बना दिया, अल्टरनेट बना दिया, जो भी आपकी मर्जी, आपने पूरे 10 करने, अल्टरनेट जो भी, ठीक है. But that dua at that time, or when you go for umrah, or like when you have really zoned out of everything, और आप बस वो एक फोकस से वो दुआ कर रहे होते हो. आपको किसी चीज की जल्दी नहीं है, किसी चीज का वो एजेंडा नहीं है, कोई परवाह नहीं है. आप this is your time. शायद लोगों को हर रात अपनी ईशा नमाज के बाद मिलती है, शायद that's amazing. मुझे नहीं मिलता वो. तो मुझे लेकिन सुबह छत पे या गार्डन में बाहर वो टाइम मिलता है. अगर 5 मिनट का भी है, 10 मिनट का है, जब बहुत टाइम है तो 20 मिनट का भी. बट एक तो हम सांस सही से नहीं लेते ना, हम कॉन्शियसली सांस नहीं लेते. जिस तरह हम ब्लिंक करते हैं ना, हम सांस लेते हैं. कोई लोग जब इनहेल करते हैं तो मुंह से करते रहते हैं, इनहेल एक्सहेल, वो थ्रोट ड्राई हो जाता है. इट जस्ट अफेक्ट्स यू. यू आर सपोज्ड टू रियली ब्रीथ इन फ्रॉम योर नोज, एक्सहेल फ्रॉम ऑल दैट. फिर वो पेट, आप जब इनहेल करते हो तो योर पेट इज सपोज्ड टू फूलो लाइक अ बलून, एंड देन यू एक्सहेल. A lot of people take the stomach in when they inhale, and that causes a lot of imbalance in their health and their एक जैसे एक जिस्म में करंट दौड़ती है जो आपको इस तरह रखती है, क्योंकि आपकी सांस ऑफ है. The moment you connect to the breath, and I used to think, please क्या breath भाई, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं, मुझे नींद आ रही है, बहुत बोरिंग है. But I can proudly say that because Mohib and I both practice that, because we practice that, that's the only thing I can tell my friends who are struggling with patience, struggling with anxiety, struggling with sleep, struggling with weight, struggling with depression, anything. मैं कहती हूँ यहाँ
Breathing
अल्लाह
करें.
की कसम सांस लेना सीखो सही से. 5 मिनट 10 मिनट होल्ड योर ब्रेथ. अच्छा, फास्टिंग आपके बॉडी के लिए अच्छा क्यों है? क्योंकि हम आम जिंदगी में अपने रूटीन में चलते हैं, घर साफ रहता है, सब कुछ सही रहता है. हमें जब छुट्टी का दिन मिलता है तो हम डीप क्लीनिंग करते हैं, इस कमरे की, उस अलमारी की, ये ठीक है. फास्टिंग जो आपको एक मौका देता है खाली पेट रहने का, तो आपका जो जिस्म है इट डजंट फोकस ऑन डाइजेस्टिंग ओनली. कहता है एक सेकंड, लिवर, इस कमरे में लिवर में कुछ है, गुर्दे में कुछ है, इधर कुछ है, वो उसको बैलेंस कर देता है. एंड दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ फास्टिंग. ये अलग बात है कि हम सहरी और इफ्तारी में क्या खाते हैं बिल्कुल ही डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं, वो अलग बात है. लेकिन जिस वजह से फास्टिंग आपके लिए अच्छा है वो इसीलिए बिकॉज यू गेट टू स्प्रिंग क्लीन. सेम थिंग इन ब्रीदिंग. व्हेन यू एक्सहेल and you hold your breath on an exhale, you're starving your body of oxygen, and the body just gets into action and starts supplying a lot of blood and then saving all that oxygen that was left in your body to work on your cells. It literally just it's life changing.
Yeah.
And thanks to social media, there's so many videos on YouTube and social media that will help train you, teach you, guide you.
Yeah.
Whether you do the Indian teachers or you do the new age, you know, hippie teachers, or you do whatever, it is really a magical experience. And I think this is something that next time I go for field work, and I've been telling my friend Sana over there, the British Asian Trust, is that how do we incorporate yoga? To aap bhul jaye, yoga we can't, but breathing and meditation. Namaz bhi to ek meditation hai.
Of course.
Namaz ka pura jo cycle hai, jo it's a meditative state, but it's a beautiful thing when you know exactly what you're saying.
Yeah.
And what you're thinking and feeling.
Of course.
And that you zone out. Namaz mein you can't zone out, na? Kabhi aap bhul jate ho which surah was I on, and then you have to really be. That's a different kind of focus. But there's a different kind of liberation to jab aap इसीलिए मैं ज़्यादा काम और zen रहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं इस पे बहुत काम करती हूँ पिछले 2 साल से सिर्फ, लेकिन उससे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा है. दूसरा ये, again, my tarbiyat at home. I was never a girly girl because my mother wasn't a girly girl. मुझे कभी उस तरह groom नहीं किया गया था. मुझे हमेशा था to be independent, to take care of yourself, to be alert and aware कि आपके around क्या हो रहा है. आपने बाजार में जाना, आपने कैसे जाना है, not ने आपके बाजार में जाके कौन सा लेस खरीदना है ताकि आप अपने बात पक्की पे कैसी लगेंगी. You know, it was like practical stuff, like know how to change a tire, know how to like change a bulb. Don't be a damsel in distress. You know, you have to be independent like that, self-sufficient. And I think उन चीज़ों की वजह से मैं दूसरी चीज़ों को ज़्यादा attention नहीं देती, या मुझे important नहीं लगती ना. Everyone is raised differently and has their own opinions about different things. So I mean I don't have a million followers.
Yeah.
You know, in one world that would be lame. Like,
no, that's
which
okay,
world are
but
you
that doesn't
in?
bother you, which is the best part. Yeah.
No, I mean it was amazing. My sister was like, "Oh my God, you need to do." You know, if social media was in my time, and I'm sure a lot of us say this, मैं जितनी जोकर थी, मैं जितनी जोकर थी, my whole life, बचपन, school, with teachers will all remember me as the joker. And there's so much stuff that I've done, and my sister was like, if people saw, and then that video came out with the accents. That was just
I know
glimpse of like whatever.
Yeah.
ठीक है? I got like, I don't know how many thousands of followers suddenly, and my sister's like, see, you need to just be you. You're so caught up now in like always being this poised. Don't. And I was like, but that's for my friends. And you guys. That's not for the public. But I'm just saying, if I were to suddenly then yes, it's like give a little bit of yourself to the public for them to want to know what you're doing next or what video you've put out. It could be a fun thing, but I think at this age, it's really not on my agenda at all.
That's a pity, because I think you could put out some really intelligent content.
Which content, we need. Yes, which we need. That I could work on. But the silly things that we do, now people like on TikTok, I mean, when I catch someone's TikTok, it's so
stupid is the word you want to use. Yes.
What? It's just mindless.
Yeah, it's
जो कि ठीक है, you need to
like
zone out.
Mass dumbing down of
mass dumbing down. So coming back to the topic, सोशल मीडिया और ये जो हम ड्रामे देखते रहते हैं 24 घंटे, फिर फोन पे रील्स देखते रहते हैं, फिर टिकटॉक पे वीडियोस देखते रहते हैं ऑफ सच बकवास, इट मेक्स नो सेंस. कभी कभी मुझे लोग दोस्त भेजते भी है, मैं भी अपनी भाई बहन को भेजती हूँ, हम लाइक this is not funny. Like, it's just somebody doing something totally pointless.
Yeah.
But we find everything so funny now. And it's like, it's an addiction.
Yeah.
We may not be drug addicts, but we are,
No, we're addicted to our phones.
we're content addicts.
Absolutely, we
we're
are.
totally
We are.
social
We're
media
junkies.
addicts. Yeah, we're junkies.
We're content
We don't
junkies.
read books anymore. We
No.
don't pay attention to we're worried about kids' screen time, but all I keep reading is that you can only fix the kids' screen time जब आप अपना screen time
Absolutely.
कम करोगे. अब तो एक बहुत मजे का पास टाइम बन गया बच्चे को सुलाते हुए या खाना खिलाते हुए. You don't have to sit and look at your child and connect with them and think के you know it's so easy. मैं बोर नहीं होती अब. मुझे इस बात का बहुत अफसोस हुआ था. एक दिन मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि मैं गाड़ी में इंतजार कर रही थी. 20 मिनट हो गए बट मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. फर्क नहीं पड़ा क्योंकि मैं फोन पे हूँ. एंड आई रिमेम्बर बचपन में अगर अम्मा ने हमें गाड़ी में छोड़ दिया और कोई काम कर लिया 15 मिनट फेल्ट लाइक 2 घंटे.
Yeah.
And it would just be like बोरियत.
Yeah.
But उस बोरियत में मैंने बहुत observe किया है. You just
Of
stare
course,
outside the
yeah,
window
yeah,
and you
yeah.
observe so many things.
Hey,
and
there's
you
no
think
comparison
and you
to
come up
that.
with songs
Yeah.
and you come up with your
You're more
imagination.
creative. You become imaginative. You become more creative.
But
you
वो
know?
नहीं करते अब. Like
नहीं.
बच्चे बोर नहीं होते अब.
नहीं, मैं तो रेस्टोरेंट्स में देखती हूँ माँ बाप खाना
हाँ.
खा रहे हैं, बच्चा हाई चेयर में फोन रखा हुआ है,
Yeah.
एक हाथ से माँ उसको खिला रही है, वो देख रहा है, वो खा रहा है.
It's
It's just like
convenient.
nobody's having a
But
conversation
it's
anymore.
really sad.
Nobody's
Robots
having
बन गए ना. But that was शायद ये agenda भी था.
Androids. Yeah.
अभी with what's happening in the world
Yeah.
or even in our country, हम सब का एक
दुनिया को क्यों
जज्बा
देखें, हमारे इर्द गिर्द
दुनिया
कितना
में
कुछ हो रहा है. Yeah.
हमारा जो एक जज्बा है वो जाग गया और फिर हम दूसरे लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट कर पाए सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया के जरिए. All the reporters, all them in Gaza were able to connect with us and tell us what is happening, and we were able to help them in whatever way is because of social media, because that awareness was there. But at the same time, there are just two sides to everything.
There is. I mean, there are pros and cons to every situation.
But in schools, breathing should be implemented.
Right.
बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए. वो करते हैं बाली वगैरह
Practical
में
measures, yeah.
In the Far East, I think they practice meditation. Quiet time is so important to just clear your mind of clutter and just.
Absolutely. I think being around nature is so important.
Being around nature. अब इस्लामाबाद के लोगों में इतना फर्क है compared to कराची के.
हमारे पास है समंदर, लेकिन
हमारे
उसका
पास
हमने क्या हासिल
लेकिन
किया है?
बहुत कम
समंदर का
जाते
क्या
हैं.
हासिल किया है? But being close to nature is important.
पाँव को घास में रखना, मिट्टी में रखना.
Yeah.
Sea water to like bathe in sea water.
Not this one is not recommended, Clifton.
No, not sea view.
Not sea view.
Well, depending on the time of year, आप मानसून में नहीं जा सकते पानी में. वो current बहुत strong है. Winter months are the time to go. But फिर लोग crystals में चले जाते हैं चीजों में. ठीक है, whatever makes you happy.
Yeah.
आप करो.
I've started coloring.
You start coloring, see, any kind of therapy.
Any kind of,
But how do we get this kind of therapy across to, because ज़ाहिर है there's different stratas of society. हम लोग ये कर लेते हैं, लेकिन मेरा मकसद है या जो मेरा purpose है is to help those who don't have access to proper help. In terms of medical, mental health, physical help. These campaigns that are about know your nikah rights.
Yes.
All these things, like women don't know their rights. They don't know that it's okay to feel a certain way. How do we get to them?
Oh God, it's a Herculean task. It's like uphill.
But our dramas can get to them.
That's what I was going to say. Our dramas can get to them, but they're not getting to them because the dramas are just hampering on the same things over and over again.
But then you live in a place like Pakistan right now.
The world.
Or the world.
But especially Pakistan.
You can't say Pakistan. But where inflation levels, where atta, roti, chini prices are exorbitant, where your bijli bill, where your petrol, where there's so much ghurbat and majboori and difficulty, and the class difference is so unfair. Hamara middle class hai hi nahi. It's so unfair. It's so difficult for the common man to try and make something of his life because ya to बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा हैं, किसको पढ़ाई की वो मिलेगी प्रिविलेज, कौन क्या खाएगा, उनकी न्यूट्रिशन क्या होगी. सो फ्रॉम द अच्छा खाना टू अच्छी पढ़ाई, which is the basic thing that any parent wants to give their child, you're suffering. Add depression on top of that. Add there's already these external factors.
Depression is a byproduct of all of this.
Add depression and anxiety on top of this. And then no help and no answer and confusion. You've got a recipe for total disaster, and it's unfair, and it's totally preventable.
Yeah.
It's totally preventable with the right kind of help, but उस help तक पहुंचेंगे कैसे? So that's why a lot of these idaras now that have set up are they've teamed up, the British Asian Trust has teamed up with Taskeen. I think that's the name. I will have to check it later if it's wrong. But it's a mobile therapy.
Right. I was going to ask, are there any numbers or helplines that people can reach out on?
There are. We can share them on your link.
We would like to.
There are a bunch of local institutions that the British Asian has paired up with to help spread this awareness. So there's like there's therapy on wheels kind of a thing. There is a helpline that is available for people to call on. And then there are different spots जहाँ आप जा सकते हो for free help. जाहिर है आपको अगर आप नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते that's the least
because ये भी एक है ना समझा जाता है कि थेरेपी बहुत महंगी है और है
but
भी
it's our government's responsibility, it's our responsibility if it's part of our social work or whatever is to provide free healthcare, and mental health is part of that healthcare. So you know, like the heart hospitals here, NICID, and Jinnah, that provide amazing free healthcare, especially for heart, etc. I mean, commendable work they're doing over there. इसी तरह हमें चाहिए places for psychiatric and psychological help. और ये भी पता होना चाहिए लोगों को कि दो किस्म के main दो branches हैं. एक आपके जो levels है dopamine, serotonin, आपके जो hormones हैं और chemical imbalance, उससे आप दवा लेके अपने chemicals को balance कर सकते हैं. कभी-कभी सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी आप अंदर सही feel नहीं कर रहे. आप सब कुछ कर रहे हो, मियाँ है, बच्चे हैं, सब खुश है, नौकरी है, सब कुछ है, but why? And then you feel like, why am I being so ungrateful? Or you're told कि भाई सब कुछ है, अब क्यों तुम खुश नहीं हो? क्या मसला है? भाई, it's because your chemical imbalance is going on. So that's when you need a psychiatrist जो आपको दवा देगा और आपके फिर balance हो जाएंगे levels. एक है behavioral therapy, जहाँ पे just counseling and talking and the therapist will give you ways to deal with कि इस time पे सांस लो, या इस time पे count to 10, या इस time पे take a break, या इस time पे walk away, या इस time पे don't react. हम autopilot पे बहुत चलते हैं, तो हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें tools चाहिए होती हैं to deal, to navigate through life. And that's what therapy is also very good for. I think the two takeaways when I went for maybe 4 sessions of therapy, मैं constantly कहती थी कि अब मैं भूल गई हूँ, लेकिन मैं 2 loves use करती थी. एक maybe selfish and overconfident or some word I would keep using, and the therapist said 1 second. Maybe that's the word she gave. I kept using 2 words और उन्होंने कहा 1 second. आप बार-बार ये 2 अल्फाज कहते हैं, लफ्ज कहते हैं. जब
अल्फाज 2 हैं, ठीक
है. आप बार-बार ये अल्फाज क्यों इस्तेमाल कर रही हैं? आप इन्हीं words को ये कह दें, self-assured and something. And I was like, why do I have to take it negative? And it was a basic thing where she just told me to
change your perspective,
change my vocabulary of how I speak about myself. And that changed everything. I didn't feel guilty anymore. I was like, मैं ये अपने लिए कर रही हूँ, it's not a bad thing. इसमें कोई बुरी चीज़ नहीं है. अपना ख्याल रखना, अपने बारे में सोचना, कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं है. As long as मैं किसी का हक नहीं मार रही.
सनम, बॉटम लाइन यही है कि अपने बारे में ख्याल रखना गलत नहीं है. किसी का हक नहीं मारे, of course, लेकिन अपना ख्याल रखें. And this goes out to every woman who's watching, कि अपना ख्याल रखें. And men, yeah, absolutely.
Actually, men are suffering a lot because of the societal pressures that we expect from men. कि वही provider है, वही protector है, वही खानदान की इज्जत है. कभी-कभी ये भी होता है, औरतों को तो बना लेते हैं खानदान की इज्जत, but तब सरनेम तो मर्द का ही लेते हैं ना. उन पे भी वो प्रेशर होता है. And then society में ये भी है कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, मर्द रोता नहीं है.
नहीं होता है.
होता है, बहुत होता है. In fact, उनको ज्यादा होता है. औरत इन मामलों में ज्यादा मजबूत है, क्योंकि बस it's just something that she does. She knows how to navigate through it. But a man, even if you look at children in school, boys are a lot more sensitive than girls.
They are.
लड़कियां तो फट अपना करा लेती हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास एक अपनी माँ है, दादियां हैं, खाला, फुप्पो, एक रोल मॉडल है. बाप तो काम पे चला जाता है ना, तो उस लड़के के पास क्या है? वही खवातीन जो इसकी दिमाग की दही कर देती
जो कह रही हैं कि नहीं स्ट्रांग हो, स्ट्रांग होना है.
So men have no role models. We women have role models. Our teachers, our khalas, puppos, dadis, nanis, बट मर्द के पास एक रोल मॉडल नहीं होता।
And unfortunately जो रोल मॉडल्स टेलीविजन दे रहा है वो नहीं
वो
अच्छे
तो
हैं।
बहुत,
वो
हाँ,
तो अल्लाह बचाए उन मर्दों से
हाँ।
भी और उन रोल मॉडल से भी।
You know,
It's not the
a
best
man
examples.
needs like a man will always remember a good teacher sometimes if the
Yeah.
father was not around, or a grandfather, or
Yeah.
a friend, or a friend's father. But it's very important for men to have मर्द हजरात को role models की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, who will teach him how to be a good man.
Yeah.
We just expect them to be good men. But if you really think about it, हम औरतों के पास इतने role models हैं, हर जगह, हर बात पे there's someone to show you the way how she thinks it should be, or
I think
teach
there's
you.
just more to choose from.
There's more to choose from.
Women
Yeah,
have more to choose from.
that's true.
Yeah, you know,
But
maybe,
men are kind
maybe
of
do
thrown
not.
in the deep end and are
Yeah.
left on
Also,
their
there are
own.
more different expectations from them.
Yes.
उसका बहुत बोझ है.
So counseling for men is obviously
Absolutely.
totally important.
I think for
enough
men,
है.
financial burden is a big cause
Yeah.
of concern and depression, for sure.
Yes.
I mean,
And their health.
I've seen suicide up close in my family, unfortunately, and it was financial pressure. I think it was one of the most toughest times that the family went through. And the most difficult thing was for my father. He lost his younger brother, who shot himself. The financial pressure, and
the family didn't know about it?
They did. You see, that's the thing. And that's where mental health awareness comes in, that he tried it once. And the doctor said that, you know, he's unstable. He will try again. And I think nobody just took it seriously. Ki nahi, kuch nahi. And then he succeeded the next time. And he shot himself. And the toughest time was when I saw my father, when my dadi was alive at that time, and she couldn't hear. And she was terribly old. And she kept saying, why isn't he coming to visit?
Oh.
And my dad said, you know, you have to tell her. And he wrote her a letter. Sanam, it was the most heartbreaking moment, I think, of my life, to see my dadi read that letter that your child is no longer around. And we knew how he'd
gone. And he never went for therapy?
It didn't exist. That thought didn't exist. Oh. Therapy ki thought I mean, unko doctor ne ye bhi bola ki he's tried once, he'll do it again.
So,
and he did.
If there was therapy and an interception,
absolutely.
it was preventable.
So, yeah, I mean, if you see the signs, take them seriously. Would be my appeal to everybody.
Yes.
If you see those signs in people around you of distress or trauma or grief or depression, take them seriously. Don't take them lightly. They can have very devastating results, you know. It's very important.
I mean, whether you're dealing with drug abuse,
physical
abuse, financial issues, marital issues, bullying issues, body dysmorphia, self-esteem issues. There's so many, and every one of us at some point goes through these issues, faces this this obstacle in our life, and it's all about how your support system is around you. और आप उसको face किस तरह करते हैं. But सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आपको ये अकेला face नहीं करना होता है.
नहीं, और करना नहीं चाहिए.
और आपके शो पे फिर हम links डालेंगे.
हम बिल्कुल डालेंगे.
Links to people who can afford help, links to people who can't afford
help,
but
need it.
And which areas, and
हम बिल्कुल डालेंगे. और मेरी ड्रामा बनाने वालों की ये अपील है कि जब आप ड्रामा में सुसाइड दिखाते हैं या डिप्रेस्ड कैरेक्टर्स दिखाते हैं, तो प्लीज हेल्पलाइंस के नंबर डालें. That do you need help? Do you want to talk about it? And that's what happens on all the international shows.
Yes,
where
they
show
do.
children
if you
going
have suffered from anything,
there is a website called Wanna Talk About It.
Point.
And you know, वो डालें यार, लिंक डालें, मदद दें लोगों को. Casually ना इस चीजों को एड्रेस करें. Flippantly, you know, in the passing, oh, by the way, किसी ने suicide कर ली. It's just done so casually. And having
especially people who have experienced it,
it's like traumatic.
हर एक के लिए एक कहानी में एक हिस्सा, एक ट्रिगर पॉइंट बन सकता है.
Absolutely. इन चीजों को lightly ना लें, सिर्फ यही अपील है. But
rehabilitation of children, very important.
Yes, very important.
One small takeaway, but a very big one. When it comes to sexual abuse,
yes,
आप किसी भी background से हो, it blows my mind. मुझे सिर्फ लगता था कि less educated background, less educated areas में बच्चों को वो protection नहीं मिलती because there's too much at stake.
Right.
The child must tell the parents.
Yeah.
Must tell the parents. बच्चों को ये खौफ नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं ममा या बाबा को ये बात नहीं बता सकता या बता सकती. 100 और किसको बताएगा? बच्चा अगर अपने माँ बाप को नहीं बताएगा तो किसको बताएगा? और फिर उस माँ या बाप ने उस पे रिएक्ट कैसे करना है, that can make or break a person forever.
Yeah.
A friend of mine said, you know, I was playing cricket. I remember I was playing cricket one day बचपन में, और वो नेबर का बच्चा उस पे गिर के उसको नहीं अच्छा लगा जो कुछ हुआ. Inappropriate something. She ran home and told her father. Father took the shotgun off the wall and said, कहाँ है, किधर है? बस उसी बात ने उस लड़की को हिम्मत दी कि अगर कल कुछ हुआ तो मेरा कोई प्रोटेक्टर है. मैं अगर कभी मार्केट में हूँ और I felt a hand somewhere, be like, मम्मा उसके गिरबान को पकड़ के दीवार तक, you know, because she was tall and these guys are puny. इतवार बाजार में उनको बहुत शौक है ना अपना शोल्डर आप में वो करना. तमीजदार वाले तो अपने आप को छोटा करते हैं, बिल्कुल, और बदतमीज वाले आपको टकरा देते हैं. या शॉपकीपर्स जो भी हैं, स्पेशली बच्चे जो ड्राइवर्स के साथ भेजे जाते हैं या अकेले मेल स्टाफ के साथ भेजे जाते हैं, मेल या फीमेल स्टाफ जो भी. आई रेड सो मेनी बुक्स वेयर द फीमेल स्टाफ हेल्प्ड facilitated for the meal. ठीक है, बच्चों को बिल्कुल अकेला नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. और अगर आपके बच्चे ने कहा कि फलाना ने ये किया है, that parent should see blood. बिल्कुल, absolutely. You know, whether we're obsessed, and we women are obsessed with crime thrillers. सबसे ज्यादा जो murderers और rapists पे कहानियां बनती हैं, हम औरतें ही उसी को देखते हैं, क्योंकि हम समझना चाहते हैं कि भाई मसला क्या था. How could this person do this to someone? And there were so many backstories, and it stems from that child never had someone to rely on or count on for their protection. Absolutely. So आज तक भी हैं लोग जो कहते हैं कि हाँ यार मैंने अपनी माँ को बताया, तो सोचो वो चचा आज भी आते हैं ईद पे. तो वो लड़की जाहिर है सिंगल है, बिल्कुल जाहिर है ना खुश है, जाहिर है इश्यूज हैं, मर्द को ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकती, इमोशनल इश्यूज हैं, बिल्कुल, और मर्द हजरात से और अपनी माँ से जो भी से नाराज है, तो वो अकेला ही रहना पसंद करेगी. बिल्कुल. But I'm glad that some work is being done at some level. And I'm glad that we're talking about this more frequently. And I think the conversation is opening up. People are talking about mental health awareness. A lot of influential people like yourself. I was going to call you an influencer. I don't want to call you an influencer. You'll kill me. So a lot of people with a voice are talking about it, and it's just very important. और वही बात है सनम, that external को निकाल के एक बंदे के अंदर जो ताकत है, मर्द हो या औरत, to deal with, to pinpoint the issue, to deal with it, शुरू अपने आप से करें. शुरू अपने आप से करें. अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करें कि प्रॉब्लम है. अपने आप के अंदर सुकून में रहें, खुश रहें. चाहे जो कुछ भी आपके अराउंड हो रहा है, फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, societal pressures, domestic issues, ठीक है, yes, they are issues that one deals with, but not doing anything won't make it go away, no? Yeah. At least absolutely. Not doing anything never makes anything go away. But there are so many situations जहाँ पे बात करती हूँ लोगों से, वो कहती हैं कहाँ किसके पास जाएं, वो टांगे नहीं काट देंगे अगर मैं वहाँ जाके बोलूँ कि मैं इसीलिए डिप्रेस्ड हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ हो रहा है, या मैं इसीलिए एंजाइटी से वो हो रही हूँ क्योंकि ये सूरत हाल है घर पे. वो नहीं बता सकती, कभी कभी वो नहीं कुछ कह सकती. तो शायद इस तरह के कॉन्वर्सेशंस देख के ही I hope so. और हम links भी देंगे for helplines. A lot of people write to me that, you know, with problems that they're facing at home, or some drama that really resonates because they've been through it, or a traumatic relationship. आप क्या कहते हैं? और मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ? We're not equipped to deal with it. Yeah, absolutely. But even if they feel that somebody is listening and it makes them feel better, then I guess that we're there to listen. To everybody who connects with us. So I would urge people to feel free to comment, you know, if you have had therapy that has helped, or you need therapy that you don't know where to go, we will give you links, and any way that we can help. You know? And again, even in the comment section, show your strength and your compassion in your comments to the other person. Absolutely. Stop trolling and bashing, because you're really just highlighting the आपके अंदर जो trauma है, negativity, तलखी है, बिल्कुल, आप उसी को highlight कर रहे हो, and you're just kind of deflecting it. Deal with it positively. Deal with it, but you do feel better when you are kinder to. If you can't be kind to yourself, start off by first being kinder to others, and khud ba khud then you'll be
नहीं भाई,
you'll
be kind to
softer
yourself first. I think be kind to yourself and you will automatically be
sometimes
kind.
it's hard to understand that, so if you cannot give yourself time तो
हाँ.
कुत्ते को पानी दे दें, you know, small
हाँ,
things like that.
हाँ.
शू करके भाग के फिर पत्थर ना मारे,
ने
कुत्ते को
पत्थर
पानी
ना
दे
मारिए,
दें,
ने पत्थर ना मारो यार कुत्तों
पत्थर ना
को.
मारो, चिड़ियों के लिए कुछ वो रख दो,
Yeah.
smile
Yeah.
smile at
Small
someone,
things.
say salam to a stranger. अल्लाह, मैं जब प्लेन में बैठती हूँ और अगर मैंने किसी को सलाम कर दिया, particularly अगर मेरे पास कोई बुजुर्ग, they are like so कि I exist.
Small
Not
gestures.
because I as a known face said
No,
it.
no, just
कोई
किसी
भी.
ने, just small gestures.
It's a transfer of energy, transfer
Absolutely.
of that, you know.
हाँ.
इतने अब studies हैं कि आप पानी से या पौधों से किस तरह बात करें या किस environment में कुछ पलता है या उगता
Yeah.
है. तो similarly हमारी जो vibrational resonation है वो
Yeah.
भी उसी से affect होती है.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just be happy inside.
Be happy, and happiness.
And if you
will
can't,
emerge.
then
seek help.
Seek help.
Seek help. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes.
Sanam, thank you so much.
Thanks.
I hope that this connects with people, and that is the purpose. And of course, you're doing so much more,
Yeah.
which we have not touched upon, and we will not. And
For
we will
another
not.
time.
We will not. That's another time. But you do have a film coming out on Eid al-Azha, and you look fantastic in it. In a
Thanks.
completely new avatar.
Yeah.
And you do have a couple of dramas.
Series.
Series.
Web series.
Parked somewhere on the horizon.
Yeah.
And two of them are with Fawad Khan. Three are with Fawad Khan? Oh my God. Okay.
Barzakh also had Fawad.
Yes, Barzakh.
Had both Fawads and a lot of other actors.
Yes. Meri maths kharab hai. She's got 3 drama series coming out with Fawad Khan. At some point, we will see them and we will connect on, talk about those as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's exciting work happening. And, but again, this was an extremely important discussion.
Thank you for thinking that I was worthy.
No,
of
I saw
being
your pictures, and you know, incidentally, I was looking for Eid styles, and I saw one of your pictures at wearing, you know, the blue Farhad Alam Aziz. Like, she looks great. Where is she? And it's like, okay, she's in London. For British Asian Trust, I said, अच्छा ये क्या कर रहे हैं? And then the whole mental health awareness thing
पिछले साल I think मैं नहीं सरबत गई थी, उससे पहले माहिरा गई थी. Yeah, they're doing. I think all the charities that each one of us are associated with.
Right.
हम इसीलिए उनके साथ अभी तक खड़े हैं क्योंकि जिस तरह शौकत खानम हो या इंडस हो या जो भी सरवा जो स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स के साथ काम करती है.
Fantastic
amazing
work. Amazing.
You need it's being a voice for the voiceless.
I think it's so important for celebrities who have that kind of clout and people connect with them, for them to do something meaningful
and to connect the audience.
Absolutely. Guys, don't waste your time.
There's so many people want to help
doing
others.
Nothing on TikTok.
Yeah.
You do something meaningful on TikTok.
Go visit an orphanage. Go visit an old home.
Bilkul.
If you are a therapist, go give your time somewhere, which they do. They do. The specialists do give their time.
Yeah.
You know, they sit at different clinics and they offer their services. वो तो है. But हम आम लोग भी कर सकते हैं ना. Starting from yourself.
Start from yourself. But again, thank you so much.
Thank you.